Okay, let's
And I
get
see
this
this little
forward.
bird that looks like a top, dead, squashed on the road because it's not moving. Swerve to avoid it. There's 3 cars behind me, and I was thinking they'd probably run over it. Anyway, I drove on for 30 seconds or a minute, and I just had to go back to make sure the bird was either dead or wasn't suffering. And so I went back, and there's this tiny little bird sat in the middle of the road, and there's been about 6 or 7 cars driven right over the top of him. For me to have actually stopped the car, turned around, and gone back for him. Well, I'm quite pleased I did. Because he's alive and well. I thought he was half squashed. I thought he was squashed and dying on the road, but he's not. He's old sheep. It's perfectly healthy. Perfectly healthy. It's going to get off my hand now. So I'm struggling to film this, but anyway, there's the bird. I'm going to give him a little drink, and I think what's happened is I think he's fallen from out one of these trees, or he's tried to fly. So I think, if I've read this correctly in books and stuff, if you give the bird a little drink and you just let them recover, then they should be all right. That's what I'm hoping. Now, I've just had to rewind this and slow it down, because this is one of the bits I think is so important that we've caught on camera. Watch this little bird stare us right in the eye. And the thing for me is, I'm sure you saw that first time round, but when it was played at full speed, you kind of question whether it really happened. This bird is connecting right there. He's looking you in the eye. And if you get that, if you can feel what's happening there, that, my friend, is connection. That is connection. He is looking right into our eyes. Okay, so I've given this bird a little bit of a drink, and yeah, he's trying to get through the windscreen now, so I think all he needed was a little rest and a little bit of water, a little bit of a drink, and he's busting to get out of here. So I'm going to open the door, take him across the road a bit, and hopefully he's going to fly up there into the trees, and he'll be safe, alive. Happy you would have saved him. Okay, there's the little birdie. So this is where he was in the middle of the road just before. Right there. Little bird. Another car coming. So that's where he was lying, sitting on the road. Well, I reckon he's going to fly. Here we go. Come, buddy. Come, my darling. Oh, he did it! He did it. I don't know if I caught it on camera or not. So here it is, slowed down. Isn't that beautiful? Flies up into the trees and slowed down and zoomed in even more. Quite amazing seeing how fit and healthy he actually is. Absolutely beautiful. Flies up into the trees there. Wow. So glad I turned around. I must admit, when I was driving along, I'd driven past him. I really thought he was dead or dying. I didn't think there was much hope for him. And I was so focused on my dinner because I was starving. I was heading home. But I am so glad I turned around, because now he's up in the trees, happy as can be. Well, that's made my day. So, you might be thinking, what's that got to do with dog training? The thing is this, for that little bird, to live, it only needed a few little things. It needed to be saved from the ground, it needed to be given a little bit of water, and needed a rest. That was it. Sometimes it's so simple, and it's like that with dog training. Sometimes just a couple of things can save your dog's life. I'm Doggy Dan. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye. And for help with your